Hello everyone, welcome back to Blessing TV Natural Hair. In today's video, I will be showing you a simple but cute natural hairstyle to rock on this summer. So, if today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribing button and the notification bell. Doing so, you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. A big thanks to you, my old and new subscriber. May God Almighty continue to bless you. So this is the shea butter that I'm going to be using, and this is the leave-in conditioner that I will be using as well. And this is the elastic band that I will also be using, and the combs, and this is the edge control that I will be using for her on her edges for the front side, and this is the combs and pin just to hold her head and to detangle. So I will just start from the back. I will start from the back side. I will just cut some part of her hair. I will apply my shea butter mist. I will just apply the shea butter mist, and I will also apply the leave-in condition. If you want to know, is anti-Jackie's leave-in condition. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, so I will use my comb to cut the place I want to work on. Then I will detangle it. I will just detangle it and start braiding. It's just a quick and a very fast hairstyle, but so very beautiful and cute. You will see it at the end of this video. So I was surprised at her hair. She cut down her hair, or let me say her friend cut her hair while she was sleeping in the school. That was 3 months ago, and I was surprised that her hair is growing very faster and growing back again. Yeah, her hair is growing very faster and thick on the roots. So if you want to also know things that I'm using on their hair to make their hair to grow faster, please continue to watch my video so you will not miss any of them. We do so many amazing things in this channel. Very soon we will be introducing how to sew also in this channel. So if you want to learn how to fix wig, how to make your own wig, how to create it, we do all here. So this is it. After braiding all the hair, I will just take one after the other, just wrap it just the way I'm doing. Just wrap it. Sometimes you need elastic to hold them down, but sometimes you don't even need any elastic. You will just wrap it just like this. I didn't even remember. I didn't think I used elastic band. I did not use it anymore because it was easy for me to wrap on the down of her hair, just like this. Now you will just introduce your hairband colors to make the hair look so beautiful and cute. She loved this hairstyle. She really do love the hairstyle because in this summer they need something that will bring hair to their scalp, something that will not cover their hair, their scalp at all, that will make breeze or hair to enter their scalp. Yeah, and this hair was so cute and very simple and very easy as well. Yeah, we are done very fast, like I told you before. Then I will be using this edge control just to lay down the edges on the front side just to lay down the edges. Okay, that is it. So please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and help us to share to your friends and family. So guys, this is the final result. As you can see, it's very beautiful, cute, simple but cute. So guys, if you have been looking for a style on your beautiful baby girl's hair, please check more of our video. You will see different type of kids hairstyle and how to take care of their hair so that their hair grow fast. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. May the God Almighty continue to bless you. Please subscribe if you have not yet done so and press the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you once again. See you on my next video. Bye.